Well, hello and welcome back to my channel, Style with Nina. If you are new to me, my channel is about luxury, fashion, style, lifestyle, and things of that nature. Sometimes I throw in a little tech, which is what this video is. So all the people from the tech world may not know about my style world and how they unite. Well, here's your chance. So on today's video, I am going to be sharing something that I actually think are dupes for the, oh my God, the Beats, POWERBEATS Pro. So anyway, I forgot I had actually packed them up because I actually use these. So long story short, I work out a lot. And so I had the AirPods, which I'm gonna just do a separate video for that. So I had the AirPods, and you know, when I do my heavy lifting or whatever, squats, jump squats, they would fall out my ear. So I was like, boom, bright idea. Let me get the Beats, POWERBEATS Pro. Is that what they're called? I think they're called the POWERBEATS Pro. You know, the kind of wrap around your ear. Serena Williams, one of the spokespersons for them. So anyway, got that. So purchased those a couple weeks ago, and they were giving me really, really bad ear fatigue. So was on the Amazon and saw these. And so I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and get both. I'm gonna get the POWERBEATS Pro and I'm gonna get these and do a comparison video. The POWERBEATS Pro, so I'm like, let me just go ahead and get them. They were on sale. They regularly $249 and they were on sale for $199 at the Apple Store. So I was like, let me just go ahead and get them. I had them in, and I'm going to insert some videos of me trying them on and all of that stuff. I gotta pay attention. But took them to the gym to try to work out, and they just gave me the worst ear fatigue. So I was like, oh, I don't like them, whatever. They, you know, they all right, but are they $200 all right? No. So then these came in. And when I tell you, they almost copies. Like they did the best they could to copy every ounce of the POWERBEATS Pro. So you can just look at the box and just how they copied them as much as they could. Now, I will say that, of course, the POWERBEATS Pro, the packaging is better, but who cares about packaging? You know, it's a box, but it does give you that luxury. You know, you paying way too much for some headphone. It gives you that feeling. So these, the packaging is good. I think I put these in wrong. Try to get them out the box. I put them in the wrong way, but they come like this. They open very similar to the POWERBEATS Pro. These are even called Power HBQ Pro. That's what these is called. So they open up very, very similar. But I'm going to be honest with you. I actually like these better than the Beats by Dre. And I'll just show you why. This little thing right here on the Beats is hard. So I believe that's what's giving me the ear fatigue, where this one is like a rubber Trying to see if it's gonna fall out. I mean, if it's gonna break. But it's, I mean, it's made very well. They look real similar. If they didn't have this little thing on here, you would think that these were the black ones, but you know, they didn't get it right. But I'm just gonna put them on, put one on, just to kind of show you what they look like on. And you just have to visualize it on both ears, because I don't feel like putting them in both ears. But that's what they look like on. No ear fatigue. The quality is very, very similar. I feel like I'm screaming because I got these in. You know, the specs are very, very similar. I feel like these are even better than the Beats. And guess how much they were? I'll have linked in my description box, so you can just go over there and purchase them. But yeah, these was less than $50. Less than $50. I'm buying them for the gym, so I could just throw them in the bag. I don't really have to care. I don't have to worry about them. You know, the thing about the AirPods is that, you know, they fill out my ear so much that it started like messing with my ears on the inside. Like I don't know. They just, I don't know. But anyway, these are excellent dupe. I feel like I am rambling. I know the real tech videos, they give you all the specs, and it's hot under these lights. I've been recording all day, but they give you all the specs. This is a luxury girl who be buying tech stuff video. So I am, you know, the specs and all of that. I'll probably link it on my, so you can go follow me on my blog. It'll probably be easier for me to do that, just to like give you the information versus me telling you all the specs. I'm not about to do that. But I will provide the information for you via in the description box. Click the link, yada yada. So again, these are amazing dupes. And to be honest with you, when I got these, I took the Beats back because I was like, they hurt my ear. They just, the sound was not all that great. You know, it wasn't like an amazing sound over these. I actually feel like these sound better, which is crazy. So for less than $50, I felt like I need to hurry up and do this video before they sell out. And hopefully they're not all gone, because that's what I notice about things when I find amazing things on Amazon and then I go to tell you guys about it. Most of the time it's all gone. So hurry up, click that link in the description box, grab them. You will not be disappointed. If you purchase these, come back over here and let me know what your thoughts are. Or, you know, on Instagram, same name. Let me know what your thoughts are, because like I said, these are, in my opinion, better than the Beats version. And I believe, you know, one of the complaints about the Beats was that they give you ear fatigue, and that's exactly what's happening. What was happening was that they were giving me a lot of ear fatigue. These do not. I can keep them on all day. They're easy to connect with my iPhone. They, you know, remember them when, you know, only have to set it up one time. It wasn't as simple as the Beats, but it was simple. It was very, very simple. They even connect, I believe they connect to my car. Like, for less than $50, these are bomb.com. So you will thank me later. Go ahead and get these, and then let me know once you got them if you love them as much as I do. Working out, doing vigorous workouts, I don't have to worry about these falling out like the Apple AirPods. So yeah, that is my spiel. I actually have the Apple AirPod Pro. I think that's what they're called. Yes, the AirPods Pro. I bought them. I prefer these. I'm going to be honest with you. My husband's like, well, just hurry up. You need to take them back if you don't like them. I just feel like they're for different use. I may do a separate video on these. But these, to me, I would wear every day, like running errands, whatever. These even have where you can put them on one ear and talk. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to have both in. These are bomb. But I just like these better for more casual, like outside of the gym. And I like these for strictly weightlifting, jump squats. You know, I get it in at the gym. So these are great for that. So again, if you're looking for something to wear while you're working out that will stay in your ear, I would highly suggest these. Again, they are in the description box. Let me know if you get them. And if you are into luxury items, style, lifestyle, you like my personality, you want to help a girl get to her goal for this year, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And then follow me on Instagram. And if you want to be nosy and know what's going on with me on an everyday basis, my IG stories is where I am 100% myself. You get to see my rants about maturing, my life, all of that is on my IG stories. So hopefully you like this video. I know it's a little different, techie. You know, I'm not all the specs and, you know, my husband, that's his brain. I'm not that brain. I'm a creative brain. So I say I like them, go get them, boom. And all the specs, I'll put that in my blog. So let me stop rambling. And again, I usually say stay stylish and stay fabulous, but it's a tech video. So stay techie. I don't know. But all right.